Good morning. My name is Tim Keller. I'm a senior attorney at the Institute for Justice, a public interest law firm that fights for the rights of entrepreneurs nationwide. This morning, we are announcing the filing of a federal lawsuit challenging the Nevada State Board of Cosmetology's requirement that makeup artistry instructors must obtain a cosmetology instructor's license, even though makeup artists can perform makeup artistry without obtaining a cosmetology license. In this lawsuit, we represent Waugh, the owner and primary instructor here at Elle Makeup Institute. We also represent Wendy Robin. Wendy was forced to close her makeup school, Studio W, as a result of this unconstitutional law. To explain in more detail about why we believe the board's actions are unconstitutional, I'd like to introduce my colleague and the Institute's lead attorney in the case, Doran Eric. Doran will then let Lisette and Wendy each give a brief statement, and we'd be delighted to answer questions. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Doran Eric. That's D-O-R-A-N-A-R-I-K. And as Tim said, I am an attorney with the Institute for Justice. This case is about the right to free speech and the right to earn an honest living. As Tim said, in Nevada, anybody can perform makeup artistry without a government license. These talented artists work on the sets of movies and fashion shows and photo shoots, and they do everything from high-definition film makeup to special effects. But even though anybody can perform makeup artistry without a license, the State Board of Cosmetology has said that nobody can teach makeup artistry without a license. In just a minute, I'm going to introduce you to our clients, Lisette, Waugh, and Wendy Robin. Lisette and Wendy are both talented makeup artists that opened their own schools to teach makeup artistry. But the State Board of Cosmetology wants to force them to shut down and has threatened them with fines of up to $2,000 unless they obtain cosmetology instructor licenses, a process that takes hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars, and most outrageously, doesn't teach them anything about makeup artistry. But that's not the end of the story, because even if they obtain cosmetology instructor licenses, they still wouldn't be able to operate their schools. That's because the state board has told them that if they want to teach makeup artistry, they must also teach Nevada's entire cosmetology curriculum, including classes on how to cut and style hair, how to do facials and eyebrow waxing and manicures, things that Lisette and Wendy don't want to teach and that their students don't want to learn because they have nothing to do with makeup artistry. The state board has also told Lisette and Wendy that if they want to operate their schools, they must spend thousands of dollars to install a bunch of useless equipment that relates to teaching hair care and skin care and nail care, equipment like shampoo sinks and facial chairs and manicure tables. That's equipment that will never be used because it has nothing to do with what Lisette and Wendy teach and what their students want to learn. The state board's actions aren't just outrageous or irrational, they're unconstitutional. Teaching is speech, and it's protected by the First Amendment to the Constitution. If anybody can perform makeup artistry, then anybody should be free to teach it. The U.S. Constitution also protects the right to earn an honest living, subject only to reasonable government regulation. And nothing could be more unreasonable than forcing Lisette and Wendy to take irrelevant classes, teach irrelevant material, and buy irrelevant equipment just in order to operate their businesses. As Tim said, we filed our lawsuit this morning, and we have more background information and the complaint available to you. And now I'm going to turn it over to Lisette, who will say a few words, and then I'll turn it over to Wendy.
Hello, my name is Lisette Waugh, and I'm really here just to fight for makeup artists' rights. We want to be recognized as having our own profession. We want people to know that doing makeup artistry encompasses a bunch of different styles of makeup, which is special effects, airbrush, and beauty. And if other careers and other styles like cosmetology, which does hair, and aesthetics, who does skin, is recognized as their own profession. We should have that opportunity and that right as well. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. I'm Wendy Robin, and I've been a celebrity makeup artist for almost 30 years. I've been a makeup educator for 16 plus years, and I'm really excited that our case is going forward so that we can actually, teach makeup artistry to students that want to become makeup artists for the film, television, commercial, print, and wedding industries. Excited for today. Thank you.